Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start selling on the Facebook Marketplace. Now, Facebook Marketplace is a dropshipping dream of everyone. If you understand how to harness the power of Facebook Marketplace, you can literally turn your fortunes around. How do you do that? It's quite simple and straightforward, and I'm going to go in great detail and talk about exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it and what strategy that you need to have. And that is one of the problems which a lot of young dropshippers do not understand, is exactly how can actually we sell on Facebook Marketplace and how can we harness the power of Facebook in relation to start doing a business that truly can be a very huge business enterprise in the long run. What do we need to do? How do we need to do it? And when do we need to do it? And that is the reason why I am going to mention exactly how you can go about starting your dropshipping business on Facebook Marketplace. The first thing that you need to do is head over to ebay.com. Now, ebay.com is a very interesting website, and this is a place that you can understand the dynamics of it and connect it to your Facebook Marketplace. How do you do that? I'm going to show you in this video. To watch the video till the end to find out exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. Now, we have a lot of categories that are available. We got electronics, we got motors, we got fashion, collectibles and art, sports, health and beauty, industrial equipment, home and garden. Now, one of the things I always mention individuals before they select any category is to make sure that they understand the limitation of that category. Now, what are limitations, you might be thinking? Now, age is a limitation, gender is a limitation, location is a limitation. Now, obviously, you want to make sure that the product or the item or the service that you're providing breaks through the limitations of age. Anyone who's 10, anyone who's 20, anyone who's 30, 50, 60, or 100 will be using that product. It breaks through the limitation of gender. A male or female would be using it. It breaks through the limitation of location. So someone in the US, in Australia, in Canada, in South Africa, in Argentina, in Russia, in China, or the UK will be using this product. And obviously, it doesn't matter if it's summer or winter, the product is going to be used. And it's for that reason I always select electronics, because electronics are those elements that break through all the limitation, and it goes one step further. It doesn't expire. It doesn't get out of fashion. It is always available for you to buy and for you to get. So as you can see, you have a lot of options available. You got cell phones, smartwatches, you got computers, TVs and videos, cameras, video games, portable audios and headphones, Apple, car electronics and GPS. Now, one of the things a lot of people tend to ask me is, hey, listen, this is really expensive to get into. That is where you're wrong, guys. Don't get into buying a television. Don't get into buying cameras. Don't get into buying Apple and car electronics. Get into something small. Get into the accessories. Something as reasonably easy to enter, hold, at the same time sell it and make a lot of profit from it. And that is the reason I always say go for accessories, because accessories are one of the easiest way to make a lot of money, and the easiest accessories to go is cell cases or cell phone cables. I love going for cell phone cases because phone cases give you a very good chance of increasing your profit. You can store it and it never goes bad, and anytime and every time someone wants to buy it, it's going to be available. You can see the result is 9.3 million, and if you look at the element over here, they're selling it for $3, $6, $2, and obviously $14 or $6. So what happens? How can you actually start Facebook marketing? This is what you need to do. Once you get a product from here, all you need to do is place it on the Facebook Marketplace. So whenever someone buys that product from the Facebook Marketplace, what you're going to do is that you're going to sell that product over here for a higher price, then ship that particular product from your eBay directly to the person. So at the end of the day, you won't be touching the product. They will buy it on Facebook and you will ship it from eBay to their location. So you don't know who they are, they don't know who you are, and obviously the shipping takes care of everything. That is the beauty of it. But how do you make a profit? This is where the strategy comes in place. So before you actually get that product and put it here, what you need to do is go on AliExpress. Now, until now, to this point, you haven't bought the product. On AliExpress, we're going to search for phone cases. Now, we've already checked the phone cases that are available on eBay. It's costing us around $14, $6, $8. But how much are the phone cases actually costing us on AliExpress? Now, this is costing us $3.92. This is costing us $2.61. This particular element is costing us $1.17, but we want to buy something that has a lot of market. So this is a product for $1.79 and 12,000 have been sold. This is a product for $1.99 and 26,656 have been sold. So which one are we going to get? We're going to get for the $2 one that has sold 26,000 of this. And then we're going to put this product that is available on AliExpress with the pictures and the information and the tags and the titles and the description onto our eBay and to our Facebook, but we're going to change the price. We know that we can actually get this product for $1.99, but we're going to place this on our eBay for $14.99, and we're going to place this on Facebook for at least $19.99. And then when someone buys it from here, you can either sell it from your eBay or actually buy it from here, and then just put the address of the individuals where they're based in, and they will ship it directly to them. So you'll pay $1.99, you will receive $14 or $19.99 from that individuals, and you will ship it directly to them. That is the beauty of using drop shipping in today's time and age. But listen, you might be thinking, I want to make even more profit. How can I do that? And this is where the tip comes in, guys. Head over to Alibaba.com. Now, Alibaba.com is a place that cuts out the middleman, literally meaning that you can go directly to the source and get the product from there. So let's search for phone cases on Alibaba over here, and let's see how much the price for phone cases is on Alibaba.com. Now, as we scroll down, you'll see that this product is worth 50 cents. Imagine, guys, if you get this product for 50 cents and you put it on Facebook for at least $4.99, $9.99, or $12.99, or even $19.99, and you buy it for 50 cents. That is a massive profit for you to get. And if you scroll down, you'll see all these elements that are going to be available at the same time. Now, there are different elements over here that are not related to phone, but you want to select a phone case for 57 cents, but the cheapest one we've got is for 50 cents. So let's go ahead and check out the 50-cent phone and see exactly how we can actually get this phone and how much it's going to cost and what is the time period of getting this particular phone. Now, as you can clearly see, you can easily get it for 50 cents, $1.50 or $1.88, still giving us a very healthy profit. This is a verified supplier for 15 years experience selling on Alibaba.com, and obviously with the response rate and transaction that they've done, you can easily get this particular product onto your eBay store and onto your Facebook marketplace and start selling it instantly. They have all the information from product description, detailed images, recommended products, company profiles, certification of the product as well, and their advantages all are available. So only thing that you need to do is get this product, put it on your Facebook marketplace, and start selling it. It's truly as simple, straightforward, easy as that, guys. And if you have any questions whatsoever, guys, you can always message the company and even get a further discount. All you need to do is click on contact supplier. It is as simple, straightforward as that. You can sell it on eBay, you can sell it on marketplace, and remember, guys, there are millions of individuals that come on the Facebook marketplace every single day, and there's millions of individuals that come on eBay.com every single day. So you have millions of chances for individuals to buy, and even if 1% of those 1 million buy this particular product, you can actually turn around a huge profit of at least $100,000 or $200,000 just off one product. That is truly how big this industry is, and that is an opportunity that exists right now in front of you. All you need to do is take the first step towards it and become financially independent and break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial freedom that you always wanted, because at the end of the day, having multiple sources of income can give you the peace of mind and the financial peace that you are able to afford, live a lifestyle that you always dreamed of. So guys, if you like the video, do let us know in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.